Hello, wine students. Welcome to University Wine, the channel where we dive deep into the world of wine. I'm your host, Professor Weisse. Today we meet the unsung heroes, the grape growers who manage vines every day of the year. Grape growers actively manage the vines they're responsible for throughout the year by training and pruning, necessary to ensure a healthy, commercial, viable crop every year. Most vines are trained on trellises. Pruning happens in winter while vines are dormant. Pruning retains the vine's required shape and ensures balanced growth. Growers also work with irrigation. In low rainfall regions, growers are normally allowed to irrigate vines. Methods range from flooding fields to precise systems watering individual vines. Water is limited and expensive. Most growers use it sparingly. Growers also have to decide whether and how much to spray. Vines face many fungal diseases, insects, and weeds. Fungi on grapes and leaves reduce quality and quantity. Damage can be severe. Insects and pests are major threats. Larger animals are kept out with nets and fences. Fungicides kill fungi, pesticides kill insects, and herbicides control weeds. But synthetic chemicals can cause long-term vineyard problems. Many growers minimize their use. Organic vineyards grow grapes without synthetics, though some sprays are allowed for severe diseases. Growers also focus on yield. With enough heat, sunlight, water, nutrients, and CO2, vines produce a commercial crop. Yield measures grapes per area unit. Some regions legally cap the maximum yield. Too high and you get diluted flavors, low sugar. Too low and you get an uneconomical crop. Growers also need to know when to harvest. Timing is critical, the grower's most important decision. With an early harvest, you'll get lower sugar, higher acid, and more herbaceous flavors. With a later harvest, you'll get higher sugars, lower acid, riper flavors. And a very late harvest yields shriveled raisins and dried fruit notes. Grapes can be harvested by hand or machine. Neither is inherently better for quality. The choice can depend on wine style, but also machines can't handle steep slopes. In modern times, sustainability is paramount. Cover cropping, composting for soil health, biodiversity preservation for long-term viability. Innovations like UVC robots zap fungi chemically free, expanding in California and beyond. These aim for the holy grail, truly chemical-free wine growing. There you have it, the daily work that turns vines into world-class grapes. Next time, we'll explore the growing terms found on the labels. Like and subscribe. Cheers. Until next time.